Hello students, this is your Anil sir. Today we will study coordinate geometry. This is also known as Cartesian geometry. And the credit of coordinate geometry mainly goes to Sir Rene Descartes. Because of his name Descartes, it is known as Cartesian geometry. As the basic notions of coordinate geometry you already know in class 9th. Now you know this is a coordinate plane and this is your x-axis, this is y-axis, and together they are called as axis. Axis is singular, axis is plural. Alright, and these two axes where they intersect, this is origin. The coordinate of the origin is 0 0, as you know this one, and this divides the plane into four parts. Alright, these four parts are called as four quadrants. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. And as you know, this is a number line left to right. The numbers increases from left minus 2 plus minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3, and this goes down to up. Alright, so therefore first quadrant it is positive positive, second quadrant it is negative positive, third quadrant it is negative negative, and fourth quadrant it is positive negative. For example, if you say 0.23, this is 0.2 1 2 3, this is 0.23. So this comes in first quadrant. Suppose you say minus 1 and 2, so minus 1 2, this point is minus 1 2. Suppose you say minus 2 minus 2, this is minus 2 and minus 2, therefore minus 2 third quadrant. Now you say 3 and 1, 1 2 3 1 3 1, this is fourth quadrant. Now any point on the axis, on x-axis y coordinate is 0, and on y-axis x coordinate is 0. Suppose you say 3 0 3, and it will not go anywhere. 3 0 3 0 is here. Suppose minus 2 0 minus 2 is here, 0 is here. 3 0 is on positive side of x-axis, minus 2 0 is on negative side of x-axis. Similarly 0 4 on y-axis x coordinate is 0 0 4 positive side of y-axis, and suppose 0 minus 3, this is negative side of y-axis. Clear? So these are four quadrants, four quadrants and axis. This makes the coordinate plane. It is known as you can call it as xy plane or Cartesian plane, or you can say it as a coordinate plane. Clear? Now our first notion that we will study is regarding distance formula. Distance formula. How to find distance of 2 points in a plane. Clear? So one by one we will go ahead with it. Clear? Suppose there are 2 points, say for example there is a point, say here it is 3 0, A is 3 0, and suppose another point, say it is B is 5 0. Clear? Now what is the distance of AB? So clearly you know from this is origin. Okay, from clearly you know from here OB is 5 units and OA is 3 units. So AB is this 5 units minus this 3 units. Clear? As I can mention here, you can see OB is 5 units, this is OA is 3 units, 5 minus 3 is 2 units. So AB is 2 units, these 2 units we got. Suppose if I say on y-axis, this is on x-axis you've done. Suppose on y-axis, say this is P 0 5 and this is Q 0 2. So what is the distance of PQ? Now here also this is OP minus OQ. So PQ distance will come. PQ is OP minus OQ is equal, this is 5 units and this is 2 units. 5 minus 3, again 2 units. Clear? So when the points are on the axis, you get to understand so the distance directly. Suppose the points are anywhere the points are given. How to know the distance of the points? Clear? Suppose you want the distance between these 2 points. Say this point is P and this point is Q. So what is the coordinate of this point? Is 4 and 6. This is 4, 6. And what is the coordinate of this point? This is -3, -3. Right? Okay. Now how to find the distance of this point? Suppose I'll join these 2 points. I've joined PQ. Now what I'll do, I'll draw perpendiculars. From here, I've drawn perpendicular here and perpendicular here too. Okay, suppose these two meet at R. Clear? Now clearly this is 4 units and this is 3 units. So this PR is 7 units. Now these are 6 units and this is 3 units. This QR is 9 units. Since they are perpendicular, this is 90 degree. So PQR makes a right angle triangle. Clear? So in right angle triangle, by Pythagoras theorem, you know PQ square is equal to PR square plus QR square. And here angle R is equal to 90 degree. So since PR is equal to 7 units, so 7 square, QR is 9 units, 9 square, which is equal to 7 square is 49 and 9 square is 81. Now 49 plus 81, it's QR square. So 49 plus 81, how much is 49 plus 81? Is 130. Therefore PQ square is equal to 130. Therefore PQ is root 130. If you can find its square root, or just PQ is root 130 units. Clear? Therefore this PQ is, now you got as root 130. Clear? This we found out here in this coordinate plane. Now what is the general formula? How to find directly without drawing this triangle? Clear? Now let us see. In general, suppose this is coordinate plane, this OX, OY, okay, this is XX dash, YY dash. Suppose these are 2 points. Say, suppose you give this point name as P, this is Q. Suppose this point is X1, Y1 and this is X2, Y2. Clear? Now I have to find distance of these 2 points. I've joined PQ. Now I have to find distance between PQ. How much is PQ? Now let me draw perpendiculars from P on x-axis. Suppose this is PM. Clear? Now perpendicular from Q on x-axis. This is QN. Clear? Okay, now let me draw another perpendicular P from P on QN. Say this is, suppose PR. Clear? So this, since it's perpendicular, this is 9 degree. Now let me define what is the length of this. Okay, now this is x1, xp, coordinate of P is x1, y1 and coordinate of Q is x2, y2. Okay, therefore here OM is equal to x1. Clear? And ON is equal to x2. ON is x2. Clear? OM is x1 and ON is x2. Similarly, here PM is equal to y1 and QN is equal to y2. Okay. Now I have MN is equal to x2. Since ON is equal to x2, OM is x1, MN is equal to x2 minus x1 because it is ON minus OM. Clear? Now here you see MN is equal to PR, therefore PR. Why it is equal to? Because it forms a rectangle, opposite sides equal, therefore PR also x2 minus x1. Now what is the coordinate of R? This total is y2 and this. Similarly, we have PM is equal to Rn. As I said, opposite side of rectangle, PM is equal to y1, therefore Rn is also y1. Okay, now we have QR. This QR is equal to Qn minus Rn. Qn minus Rn is, Qn is how much? Y2 I written already, is equal to y2 minus y1. Now what I will do, this PR I made a box is x2 minus x1, and QR I made a box is y2 minus y1. Clear? This is number 2. So we have, since PQR is a right triangle, therefore PQ square is equal to PR square plus QR square. Clear? Is equal to, PR square is how much? X2 minus x1 square plus QR square is y2 minus y1 square. Therefore PQ, distance between the points PQ, is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula between 2 points. I will highlight it, right? And this one you can write in any way. Anyway, in the sense, you can write PQ is equal to root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square also you can write, because a minus b whole square is equal to b minus a whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to b square plus a square minus 2ba. Both are same. Clear? This is the distance formula. We will take it. Remember this. Now suppose you want distance of a point from the origin. For example, I'll show you. Clear? Suppose you are taking any point. This is O, this is X, this is X dash, this is Y, this is Y dash. Suppose you have taken a point P and its coordinate is XY, and you want the distance of the point from origin. Say, I will join this. Clear? OP. So origin coordinate is 0, 0. So as per distance formula, OP is equal to root over x2 minus x1 square. So x minus 0 square plus y2 minus y1 square, y minus 0 square is equal to root over x square plus y square. So distance of any point, from the origin is root over x square plus y square unit. So here I can write OP is equal to x square plus y square units. So general formula we understood is, for if x1, y1 and x2, y2 are two coordinates, and you have to find the distance between, suppose P is x1, y1 and Q is x2, y2, distance of PQ is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus root over y2 minus y1 whole square. Clear? And it is unit. Okay. So next class we will find out how the distance formula helps in finding different plane figures. Okay. Thank you so much. Hope you understood.